What's up everyone, welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm gonna talk about this Turing machine. Okay, so we are talking about this automata theory. So already I have been made this 6 videos and even I shown how exactly you can use them and place these orders and create an algorithm or say any concept which you want. So this is one of the thing which I already discussed in my previous video. So I must say that go through these 6 videos, which if you visit youtube.com/profitdata/videos, and in playlist the videos are there, so you can watch. Otherwise you can just go one by one through that videos and you can find it out. Okay, so just go through it and watch. It will be very helpful creating the logics, creating the automation strategy, your automated strategy. You can beautifully design with the help of this one. Even you can create a concept with a small transition diagram, tables and all. Okay, so many of the things which you can utilize, especially in automating stuff where I can go and all those stuff. Okay, so it will be very much helpful in this. What happens, say whatever you do, the diagram concept. Okay, so if you stated something, you can originally transmit into a transition diagram, create a Python program in that one, and can manipulate whatever you want in that program itself. Okay, so I will make videos on that one, so just stay tuned on that one. So first of all, right now I just talk about this end part, which is my Turing machine. So I already discussed the deterministic finite automata, not deterministic finite automata, then push down automata, and then last Turing machines. Okay, so this is one of the concept which is I will talk about. So here I must say that I will provide a link where exactly I've been given the code and a brief introduction where you can go and can utilize by yourself. I will add each and everything and you can see that stuff. Okay, and I definitely gonna create application with the help of this one, because these things, automata theory, originally first of all help you to understand the basic concepts of programming. Okay, whatever the concepts you use, say suppose if statement, while statement, or for loop, or statements module, so anything is there. So statement expressions, whatever is there, it's originally given by automata theory itself. And the concepts whichever you go, say this crypt method and artificial intelligence. Okay, so each and everything has been coined by this step itself. So if you design any compiler or you say design any logic circuits, so it is made up of automata theory itself. So whether it is hardware or software, you really require this concept. Okay, so first of all we'll go with definition, the Turing machines. And before that I must say that if you don't have an account, please go through this, and with this with this link, which is if you want Allies Blue account or Upstocks or Zerodha, so it will help to you to get an account. Okay, trading account. So I must say that get an Upstocks trading account, because I will definitely gonna create applications with the help of Upstock itself. So just all you have to do is you have to sign up with your email address, mobile number, and just go with the OTP. Just just give the OTP, and with the help of Aadhaar card and PAN card, you are good to go to open an account under my referral. And just for UCC, link is description. The UCC has been given, so please utilize that stuff and an open account, and whatever I will create application in my website, you will be free to use. Okay, so have an account under my referral. And if you want have an API and you want to utilize this stuff, say I already talked in my videos how you can utilize this API. The API have been talked here, but you can utilize the Upstocks API to place an automatic orders. Okay, so I've been given some small definitions in interval, which you can go and go through this stuff. So earlier itself on third video which I have been made, which I can show you here, I've been utilized to show you how I have been placed this orders. Okay, so here exactly I've been created this stuff and utilized to place the order. So you can go here and see this stuff. Okay, and you can do it these things with the API itself. Right now the API Upstocks offers to place order, as well as they used to give the data within 1500. Okay, which in case of Zerodha it will be 4000. So go for these things, utilize the link and open an account and you are good to go. Okay, and if you want an API, if you opened an account under my referral, if you want an API, please come to my WhatsApp. I will definitely help you. Okay, so let's go with these things. So if you talk about Turing machine, okay, so I just read out some definitions. So Turing machine is a mathematical model of computation that defines an abstract machine which manipulates, okay, symbols on a strip of tape according to a table of rules. Despite the model simplicity, give any computer algorithm. So I'm just talking about this algorithm. Okay, so you know this, the definition which carries will be, you can understand what I am trying to say here. So a Turing machine capable of simulating that algorithm's logic can be constructed. So as I was talking about algorithms logic, okay, so if you want to say, if you say algo trading, algorithmic trading, okay, so you required algorithmic logic. So with the help of this Turing machine, this algorithm, so you can simulate with help of these things and can manipulate and whatever you want. Okay, you can go with these things. So I just talk about these things. Okay, so these things, the Turing machine was invented in 1936 by Alan Turing. Okay, so this is Alan Turing is the guy who is invented this concept, okay, who called it a machine, automatic machine. So right now what we are doing, an automation, try to create and automate your trades, whatever your strategy you got, you want to automate. So these are the concepts which you really required and automate. And these are the things which, like, you know, if you talk about Alan Turing, he is the person who coined this artificial intelligence. Really, those things which have been begun, he told, you know, we you know, to create a computer which really can think and can operate. Okay, so this is the concept which he coined by Alan Turing. Okay, so this is the concept which you can go and can understand. Okay, so you know, basically I just move to another stuff and I just talk about little bit Alan Turing also. Okay, so here they have been given. So you know, Alan Mathson Turing, okay, so was an English mathematician. So he is a computer scientist, logician, cryptanalyst, okay, philosopher and theoretical biologist. Okay, Turing was highly influential in the development of theoretical computer science. Okay, so providing a formalization of the concepts of algorithm and computation. So this is the main concept. If you, whatever we study right now, the Alan Turing machine, which we get to Turing machine, it's a you know, give this birth to artificial intelligence, as we, you know, which can be considered a model of general purpose computer. Even our PC or you know, this computer, this whatever laptop or computer I am utilizing are considered, this is a model of this Turing machine, who was Alan Turing, has been done. Okay, so these are the concepts which we get to know, this algorithm and computation, through this Turing machine. Okay, Turing is widely considered to be the father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence. So right now you talk about lot of things about artificial intelligence, but you know, this is the guy who exactly invented this concept. Okay, first, so you know, he just invented a machine. I must say, you know, there is a movie is there which is The Imitation Game. You should go and watch over there. Okay, and documentaries are there which you can go and watch, so you just get to know about the Alan Turing. Okay, so this is the guy which exactly you know, made so many things you know, which we are doing through our computers. It is because of him. Okay, so this is you know, we were talking about, and we will like, you know, got this stuff, and you know, so theoretical computer science. So this is the person is a subset of general computer science and mathematics that focuses on more mathematical topics of computing and includes the theory of computation. So he is the guy who exactly brought all those things to picture, where exactly, you know, we developed this computer concept. So if you say a computer, any computer concepts, okay, and if it doesn't follow this model, Turing machine model, then it is definitely don't belongs to general purpose computer. Okay, so all of the concept which is like you know, based on computer science and fields are based on this only, this logics. Okay, so if you are designing any kind of a comparer or logic circuits, it is made up of this model. Okay, so you can utilize. So I've been already discussed how you can go. Okay, so if you read about, you just go through the Wikipedia and you can go see, this is what replica of bomb. Initially he just made a machine with the help of electronic circuits, each and everything, and combined for Enigma. Enigma code is there where exactly